Welcome everyone. Today I'll introduce you our task planning template. Now, the template consists of an assignment tracker, task tracker, long-term task tracker, recurrent task, and a weekly planner. There are three calendars: calendar A, calendar B, and calendar C. Each calendar has its own color-coded version where our completed tasks are colored in green. Calendar A color coded, calendar B color coded, calendar C and calendar C color coded. Now, how to start using the template? I'll start with assignment tracker. I type in the class, the assignment, then I choose the priority of the assignment, the date of the assignment, the signed date of the assignment. So it's February 20. The assignment will be in the calendar in February 20. Then the status, I choose the status of the assignment, what is completed, in progress, or completed. And I have option to choose the grade. We have, I switch to task tracker. The same thing again. I type in the name of the task, the category, the priority of the task. Then I choose the date of the task I want to complete. The date I want to complete my task. Then the date. Then I choose the status of the task. Long-term task. We have the name of the task, the category, and priority. We have starting date and due date. Now, the project will be in the calendar from the starting date till due date. Now, this record new videos project will be in the calendar from February 11 till February 23. Then I have status column. I choose what is completed or not, or in progress, or have not started yet. We have recurrent task, again name of the task, the category, priority. We have starting date, recurring, and all the column. First I type in the starting date of the recurrent task, and I type in the recurring column per how many days I want my task to recur. Now, exercise task will recur once in 3 days. Read a book task will reoccur once in 2 days, and learning ones will reoccur every day. We have all the column. In all the column, we specify the date of next revision. We specify which next revision will be. Now, I have typed in 0. The next date will be next first date. S1. Next date is now this is next second date is -1. This is previous first date. It is 2. The date is next third date. Now we type in many times the same task because we want the task to appear, to be present in the calendar, not only for the next first date. We type in many times of the same task in order that we see the previous date of the task, next dates of the task, not only first next date of the task. Now let me show you in the calendar. So we have we have exercise task, we have exercise recurrent task. This is the next first date. This is the next second date, and and this is the previous first date of the recurrent task. If we type in only once, we'll see only the next previous date. We can't see the next second date or next third date or previous date. we type in many times so that we can see not only the next first date, but other next dates and other previous dates. And for this, we type in many times, and we specify the next date of the task. If it's 0, it will be next first date. If it's 1, it will be next second date. If it's 2, it will be next third date. If it's -1, it will be previous first date. If it's -2, it will be previous second date. We have a weekly planner. I choose a time block, let be from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Then I select all the cells in that time block from 10 to 11, and I combined all these cells, and I type in what will I do in that time block, and then I type in what I will do in that time. This is how we use the weekly planner. Then we can color it. Let me switch to calendars. Now, all the tasks are present in the calendar in their assigned date. Now, today I have all these tasks to complete. Tomorrow I have all these tasks to complete. All times of task start with an emoji that defines its type. Now, this is an assignment. It starts with a notepad emoji. This is a normal task. It starts with a checkbox emoji. This is a long-term project. It starts with a sad watch emoji. This is a recurrent task. It starts with a cycle emoji. We have today list and we have backlog list. Today list presents us all the tasks that assigned to the day that we have not completed. I have all these tasks to complete today and I have not completed them yet. Backlog list presents us all the tasks that we have not completed in their assigned date. So we have links next to each task which directs us to the state cell of that task. Let me try it. So I click the link, it will direct me to the state cell of that task. Then I complete my task. Now it's completed. I return to my list. It disappears in the list because we have completed it. A backlog list, let me try for that. I click the link. It directs me to the state cell of that task. Now, the date of task is February 8, but today is February 15. I have not completed it, therefore backlog list presents me that I have not completed this assignment. Let me try for another type of task. I click the link, it directs me to state cell of that task, then I complete my task. I return to my list, it disappears in the list. Today list presents us all the tasks that assigned today that we have not completed yet. Backlog list presents us all the tasks that we have not completed in their assigned date. That's all I had to say. I hope you have. There will be a link in the description to my ads shop. You can click the link to get the tablet. I hope you have found the tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and goodbye.